Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be working on this leaf platter mold, and it has like a lot of indentation for the leaf pattern. So I'm going to do this in two steps. In the first step, I'm just going to mix up resin and use this Pebeo gold fluid pigment, and I'm going to do that just for the line parts here, and then I'll let that cure, and then I'll come back and do the next step. So right now I'm going to mix up some resin and get that pigmented with the Pebeo gold, and I'll be right back. Okay, my resin is mixed and I've added the pigment. And it does have a green undertone, and that's perfectly fine since I am doing a leaf. What I am going to do though is I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes just to kind of naturally degas itself a little bit before I start pouring. So I will do that, and I will be back when I'm ready to pour. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and pour the gold into the inlay part only of the mold. I'm just going to go ahead and start pouring right here at the stem part. I'm going to pour slowly so I don't over pour. I only want this in the inlay. Okay, I way overestimated how much resin I would need. This only took about 2 ounces of resin. So now I'm just going to spritz this with some isopropyl, just to try to get rid of any of those surface level bubbles. And then I will let this sit and cure, and I will be back once that's set to do the next step. Okay, I'm back, and this layer here is now cured. I went ahead and I mixed up 8 ounces of resin, and all I've added to that is some of the Let's Resin Emerald Green alcohol ink. And I did let it sit for about 10 minutes just to kind of naturally degas, and I'm going to go ahead and just pour that right into the mold directly. Okay, now I will just let this cure, and I'll be back once it is, because there's still enough room intentionally to do one more layer, and I will pour that once this is actually cured. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This layer is now cured. I've mixed up another 6 ounces of resin, and I pigmented this with some Irish green pigment, which is a dark green, and this is an eye candy green. So that is what is in the resin here. I made the first one light fast, this one or opaque. I want this one to be a little denser, so I'm just going to pour that directly on top of the previous. Okay, and that definitely filled it to the rim of the mold. So initially I had almost 8 ounces, this time was about 6, and the first time was 2. So I would say about 16 ounces in total would completely fill this mold. I'm going to let this sit and cure now, and once it's ready I will be back to demold. Okay, this is now cured, so I'm going to go ahead and demold. Alright, are we ready to take a look? Maybe I will heat it and bend it some. Maybe that'll do something more. But it's attractive, it's nice, and it does actually have deep grooves, so you could use this to put stuff in each of these little areas. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.